Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome to another edition of Scientifics, where we bring you the top science stories of the week from across the globe. This week in space, scientists at NASA and European Space Agency have discovered the youngest neutron star of its kind, a 240-year-old cosmic newborn located 1600 light-years away. The neutron star is made of densely packed stellar material left over after a massive star exploded. The newly discovered object packs twice the mass of the Sun into a volume more than 1 trillion times smaller. The star belongs to a special class of objects called magnetars, which have strong magnetic properties. If the age of this magnetar is confirmed, this would be the youngest magnetar ever discovered. Also this week, astronomers have discovered a mysterious repeating rhythm of fast radio bursts originating from an unknown source over 500 million light-years outside our galaxy. Fast radio bursts are short, intense flashes of radio waves, typically lasting a few milliseconds. Over 100 fast radio bursts have been catalogued since 2007, but their sources have remained a mystery. Usually, these fast radio bursts flash briefly before disappearing entirely. Sometimes, astronomers observe fast radio bursts multiple times from the same source, though with no discernible pattern. The latest source is the first to produce a periodic or cyclic pattern of fast radio bursts. The pattern begins with a 4-day window during which the source emits random bursts of radio waves followed by a 12-day period of radio silence. This 16-day pattern repeated consistently over 500 days of observations. Back on Earth, a section of Antarctica has lost 1 million square kilometers of its ice in the last 5 years. Researchers looked at the satellite records of sea ice extent and weather analysis starting in the late 1970s to understand why summer sea ice in the Weddell Sea area of Antarctica has reduced by a third over the last 5 years. They found that a series of severe storms in Antarctic summer of 2016 may have led to this rapid decline. Along with this, the team also found that a large area of open water within the sea ice has developed in the Weddell Sea area during the winter of 2016 for the first time since the mid-1970s. This was created by the strong winds associated with storms and unprecedented warm ocean conditions. Meanwhile, a team of researchers from the US have provided the first ever direct evidence that extensive coal burning in Siberia caused the Earth's most severe mass extinction event. For the study, the team focused on rocks created by explosive volcanic eruptions in Russia, formed during one of the largest known volcanic events in the last 500 million years. The eruptions continued for roughly 2 million years. During this event, up to 96% of all marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species became extinct. At the peak of the extinction, the Earth underwent global warming. It took millions of years for ecosystems to be re-established for the species to recover. The team found evidence of burnt coal in the region. Researchers said that the extinction event bears similarities to what is happening on Earth today. In other news from prehistoric times, a mysterious fossil in Antarctica that looked like a deflated football has finally been identified to be a giant soft-shell egg from about 66 million years ago, almost a decade after it was first discovered. Measuring over 11 by 7 inches, it is the largest soft-shell egg ever discovered and the second largest egg of any known animal. This specimen is the first fossil egg found in Antarctica. Researchers believe it was possibly laid by a giant prehistoric lizard or a snake. This is Mohana Basu for The Print. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates.